You can also do is do a drip email, 3 to 5 emails over a 7 to 10 day period. You can also send a text or an SMS, and we can send a handwritten envelope with your information inside of that envelope. Why handwritten? Well, it gets open. Obviously, some of those things are going to come with cost, but you could literally touch 400 people 7 to 10 times for probably $3 to $4 a customer, or $3 to $4 per homeowner. So you're talking $1,200 to $1,600, and you touch them 7 to 10 times and told them that you helped their neighbor, right? And so the affinity, helping their neighbor, then you continually touching them. And if you have a can't miss offer, which is the way to go, you should be able to convert 20% of those into estimates.